We're replacing the flush valve in this system with a Geberit Twico 2 or Impulse 280 flush valve. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off the water to the system, which is usually in a tap down here. Sometimes it might be a tap inside the system itself. So then we give it full flush and the water doesn't fill back up. On this particular system we have to remove the ring. We unscrew that ring on the outside of here. Flush valve, that's the old flush valve. So before we remove the system, I'm going to drain the water out. So down below we have a flexible hose that comes in here. On this particular system we're going to take this off and take the valve off, and the water should drain. That's the inlet valve. So then we take off the inlet valve with this screw. The screw comes off. Then the inlet valve can be simply removed and put on one side. And we're ready to take the system off. So we need to look underneath, and we'll find underneath two wing nuts. We undo those and we take the system off. That's one of your wing nuts, and we'll take him off. And then we'll do the same on the other side. This system's been screwed into place with screws here and here, so we take those out first. Then we can remove the system. Under the system you can see the foam washer, and we have the bottom of the flush valve, so it just needs to be removed. And now loose that, and our flush valve is clear. Now we're going to put a brand new foam washer on. Then we're going to put our valve on. Remove this nut. Then we'll put our foam washer on, our new foam washer. Got a little blob of silicone on either side. Just helps that to stay in place. And then we can put the system back in place. Don't forget to put the wing nuts back on underneath the system. So now we lift this part up. Push down to where the system's going. And we can push it down with the system lid. Now we know the level. We take the lid off and we lock that in place. So we take off this nut, put the valve in place. Then we screw back onto the bottom of the inlet valve with our flexi hose. Now we've turned on the water and that's filling up. So now we can put the lid back on. Put the button in. Screw it into place.